What's up, everybody? I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. Hey, have you heard of the Apple credit card? Wait, did you just say Apple credit card? I thought Apple was a phone and computer company. It looks like your money will never be the same with Apple entering the finance world. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 5 things that you need to understand about this new Apple credit card, and then I'm gonna get you thinking about how you can capitalize on it. First, why is Apple entering the finance world? Let me be straight up here. Apple is a business, and businesses are in the business of making money, and they're always looking for new ways to make money. You don't have to be a genius to know that credit card companies are making a lot of money. So Apple thought to themselves, and they wondered, I wonder if there's a way for us to incorporate our technology business with this credit card business model. You should remember that blending technology with finance is not something new. This has been something that's been happening for a number of years now, and it's becoming more and more popular. Like, we saw the growth of web banking, then we saw the growth of online banks, and then blockchain and Bitcoin, and then the Apple Pay system, and now the Apple credit card. Second, why does Apple want you to shop with their credit card? Let's say you go shopping at Walmart and you throw everything you need into your shopping cart. You got your toilet paper, you got your cookies, you got your water bottles, and now you go to the self-checkout lane and it says that your order is $100. So what do? You whip out your Visa and you swipe. After you swipe your card, Visa and their authorizing bank will pay Walmart $100 for your groceries minus some fees. Visa will charge Walmart something around $2 to process your $100 order. Some credit cards charge higher merchant fees than others. Like American Express might charge Walmart $3.50 for the same $100 transaction, which is why a lot of stores don't take these high fee credit cards like American Express. Now, I need you to get your creative juices flowing. Imagine this. Imagine you go back to shopping at Walmart, but instead of shopping with your bank's Visa or your bank's American Express, where Walmart will have to pay 2 to 3% of your order in fees, imagine you're shopping at Walmart with your Walmart credit card. Now, Walmart can negotiate a deal with their partner credit card company and save a lot of money. I mean, last year, Walmart had like $500 billion in revenue. 1% of that is $5 billion. That's one of the reasons why you see companies like Macy's and Walmart and Amazon giving you free gifts and cash to sign up for their credit cards, because they're paying billions of dollars in credit card fees that they would rather keep in their pockets. So if Apple can save that 1, 2, or 3% of fees that they would have paid to another credit card company in their pocket, they'll get to save a lot of money. But wait, there's more. The way the Apple card works is you get 3% cash back on Apple purchases, 2% cash back if you use Apple Pay, and 1% cash back if you just use the card by itself. Apple can afford to pay you 3% cash back on Apple purchases because now when you use their credit card, that merchant fee that they would have had to pay stays in their pocket. What this also does is it allows Apple to build an ecosystem around their products, because the average consumer, which I'll be talking about in just a minute, but the average consumer will feel much better about buying a very expensive Apple product because you're getting 3% cash back. Wow! That's my sarcastic wow, by the way. Plus, this incentive structure will promote the use of Apple Pay because you get more cash back when you use Apple Pay. So what this does is next time you go phone shopping, you're gonna think to yourself, I don't know if I should get an Android, because if I get an Android, I'm gonna lose out on this 2% cash back that I get from Apple Pay. So Apple is building this tight ecosystem, and they're incorporating your finances as well. This way you are addicted to Apple products and you never want to leave. Third, don't forget, banks never lose. If I sold this notebook right here for $100 and you really liked it and you came into my store and you checked it out and you were like, oh my God, Jaspreet, I really want to buy this notebook, but I can't afford it, I would be really sad, because now you wouldn't get the notebook that you wanted and I would lose out on a sale. Thankfully, there is a solution to this problem. instead of you giving me $100 for this notebook, you could give me $120 for this notebook. Wait, what? How does that make any sense, Jaspreet? If I could loan you the money to buy my notebook, now, not only do you get my notebook, but you're gonna have to pay me my $100 back plus interest for using my money to buy my product. And now I just turned a lost sale into a double sale. That's what Apple can do with their credit card. Now Apple can be your bank so you can buy more of Apple's products. Pretty genius if you ask me. Number 4, shopping with a credit card. Look, I love shopping with my credit card because I get cash back. I have a lot of business expenses that I have to make, and because I use my credit card to make these transactions, I get thousands of dollars in cash back at the end of the year. But here is the big disclaimer. This only works for me because I pay off my entire credit card balance at the end of every month, and I never, ever carry a balance. I only buy the things that I would normally buy with cash, but I use my credit card to make these transactions because I get fraud protection, it's easy for accounting, and I get cash back for making the purchases that I would have to make anyways. The problem is, the majority of people don't think like that. The average American household has around $6,000 worth of credit card debt, and credit card debt is one of the most expensive types of debt out there. So once you get in, it becomes very hard to get out. This is why it pays to understand money, because if you understand money, you can use the system to your advantage and get free perks. But if you don't understand the rules of money, you will always be ruled by money. And if you want to learn more about money and how to use money as a tool to build your wealth, I have an ebook on money management and investing that you can read for free when you sign up for a money and finance newsletter. And you can do that by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the description below. And number 5. So does this mean that you should get the Apple credit card or not? Look, if you have credit card debt, you should not be worried about getting a new credit card. You should be trying to figure out how to pay off your credit card debt. And if you don't have any credit card debt, if you like the perks, get it. That's not what I want you to be thinking about. I want you to start thinking different. Everybody is focused on, should I get this credit card or not? But I need you to start thinking different than the majority of people. That's why we're the minority mindset. We think different. That's what we do. I want you to ask yourself, how can you capitalize on this new change? What can you do about it? Could this be a reason for you to invest in the Apple stock? Or could this be a reason for you to learn more about fintech and start investing in that space? Or could this be a reason for you to enter the fintech space as an entrepreneur? I need you to get your creative juices flowing and start thinking differently. That's what I'd rather you worry about, and that's what I'd rather you think about. This way, you break away from the consumer mindset of just constantly asking, how can I spend more money? And start developing your investor mindset. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every Wednesday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you actually find out when our new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.